So disappearance could be the word that may represent HTC's mobile industry because intentionally or not, they lost their market to other tech giants in the past few years, and it's not even like they're still selling capable phones but not getting that kind of response, Otherwise, we might have considered a hidden potential of the company. According to a recent report, HTC posted a net loss of $56.48 million for last quarter, marking the company's 8th consecutive years in the red. The graph of HTC's hope has no sign of gaining points, and now analysts predict that it could be different if the company announces a 5G smartphone for the year 2020. Looks like HTC is planning for the same, and you might recall the Desire 20 Pro that the company is currently working on, but as I specified, we are here for a 5G phone, and HTC is indeed working on one. According to Gizmo China, an official of HTC confirmed in an interview that they are preparing to launch a 5G-ready smartphone as soon as the country gets 5G, which by the way is happening in July, so I expect the launch to be scheduled for the same month. Also, a Chinese publication indicates that the handset will be powered by Qualcomm's top-of-the-line Snapdragon 865 chipset, which is impressive for a company who's still carrying debt and trying to figure out ways to enter markets. It may sound simple to you that HTC is buying processors from Qualcomm and that it requires business, but actually, it isn't like that. There's a lot of resourcing required to bundle up components and finally be able to deliver a desired product. I should give you an example like Nokia 9 PureView, which was announced in 2019 but with an year-old processor. The phone has everything to get appreciated for, but because of lack of resources, HMD Global had to compromise with performance, which means a lot to users. So it's a good thing that HTC is scrapping the idea of compromise and pushing efforts in right directions. Also, the design of this unknown handset is inspired by U12 Plus, which was a really good looking phone in terms of build quality and top-notch materials used to give it an appeal of premium devices. If the mysterious handset is indeed gonna use it, I just hope it gets tactile power buttons and volume rockers, unlike this one which uses some sort of touch sensors to do their work. Additionally, I look forward to a modern design, so of course the bezels will not do the work, and the fingerprint sensor should definitely be placed in display, and also the camera. I don't know if it's a dual, triple or quad camera setup, but I guess they should keep it different from other flagships. A huge camera module will be okay, but it's not gonna attract consumers through looks. If all these aspects work together with also software experience, I guess HTC will hit the sweet spot. We'll come to know about it in a few days, so make sure to subscribe to the channel for daily updates like this. I'll see you all tomorrow. Peace.